All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course and we're still doing our common TensorFlow functions. Now here we'll be looking at the tf.concat method. This method concatenates tensors along one dimension. These are matrices, T1 and T2. As you can see, this is a 2 by 3 and this is a 2 by 3. Once concatenated, this is our output. Now notice that we now have a 4 by 3 instead of two 2 by 3s. This is because we concatenated our T1 and T2 matrices. Also notice that we have an axis equals 0 represented by the 0 in our TF concat method. This tells the operation that we want to concatenate across our rows. So this is our 0 axis, and that's just telling the operation that we want to go this way, concatenate it this way across our rows. That's why we have one new tensor of 4 by 3 instead of two separate 2 by 3s. Now here we will perform the same exact concatenation, but this time we will concatenate across our columns. Let's see what that looks like. As you can see, we use the same matrices T1, T2, the same 2, 3, 2 by 3, and we concatenate it across our columns now because we changed it from 0 to a 1. And this is our new output. Notice that we now have a different shape than previously. That is because we have an axis equal 1 represented by the 1 inside of our tf.concat method. This tells the operation that we want to concatenate across our columns instead of our rows. Also notice that we have a 2 by 6 instead of a 4 by 3 like we get with an axis equals 0. Now that's just a few things we went over today using our concat method. We did go over a lot more with a lot more examples. We did 3Ds, 2Ds, 1Ds, and we actually did some stacking. But I'm not going to explain all that today. I just want to give you the gist of what we went over. Now, also, we do have a new poster board up today, and that's just to address the climate of today's jobs market. I know a lot of people are saying that the market is down right now. There isn't any hiring. There's a lot of layoffs. But if you're not looking 10 years into the future, you're looking in the wrong direction. These are a few concepts I was thinking of. I'm not going to tell you about those concepts. I'm just going to let you know these are the names that I'm thinking of for those ventures. Automated Solutions Inc., Phase 3 Incorporated, and Advanced Security Inc. Now, I'll keep you filled in as we go along, but just know great things in the works. But for now, this is Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.